Set to go. And racing away from that 1400 meter position. Gunston began well. Bienvenue, what is story on the far side is how does it taste? Further back to the filly Virginia, 4 lengths off the leader, Ravonia Boulevard, and well connected. Iditarod Trail is further back in the field, no more than 6 lengths off the leader. That's followed along the inside by Left Right Good Night and Crimson Magic. The outside Sound of Voices is 8 lengths off them. First to last 8 lengths cover them. 900 out and Gunston the leader. How does it taste racing second? Bienvenue racing away in third. Then Ravonia Boulevard. What a story is wider out. Further back to Well Connected and then Virginia. Down the inside is Left Right Good Night. Iditarod Trail is 7 lengths to make up. Sound of Voices and Crimson Magic the trailers. 600 metres to go. Gunston led by a length and a half. How does it taste as second? Bienvenue third. Then towards the outside is Well Connected. What a story. Virginia's got 3 lengths to go. Iditarod Trail still 4 lengths to make up with Ravonia Boulevard. 320 to go. Gunston the leader by 2 from How Does It Taste. Well Connected the outside Virginia. Iditarod Trail is struggling. Got 7 lengths to make up. Gunston goes strongly with 150 to go. 3 lengths clear. How Does It Taste? Well Connected on the outside. Ravonia Boulevard, but it's going to be Gunston. And it's gone to Gunston. Wins it by a length and a half. Ravonia Boulevard flashed up second. Third place, How Does It Taste? Well Connected, Iditarod Trail, no better than fifth. Gunston, Sir Paul Peter and Carlos Herrera Gomez took up the lead from the early stages and kept on rolling. And Gunston, the son from Sale from Seattle, wins it. Look at the late flying coming from the second horse. Ravonia Boulevard's a length and a half back second. How Does It Taste ran a cracking race in third after its maiden win. Well Connected and Iditarod Trail was always battling on the outside of runners. Just didn't want to kick on with his effort there. He had many lengths to make up 400 out and didn't go too well today. So it's gone to Gunston. 3-year-old Bay Gelding by Sale from Seattle in the colours of Messrs. Parlett, Ian Leviton, who's here today. Daryl Utah, the Brooklyn Bullet Trust nominee HHOs with the Hyperpain Syndicate also involved. Gunston a narrow loser last time out, but he's made up for it and more by winning today under the Peruvian rider Carlos Herrera Gomez.
Congratulations, nice to have this fellow back in the winner's enclosure.
Yes, he's been a very puzzling horse because he runs around in the closing stages. Last time he was all over and he started hanging in, hanging out. He's still very green, but I'm just happy we got him across the line for a lovely bunch of owners. Les, Daryl, Anthony, my brother Johnny, Ian Leviton is here tonight. Well done, guys. Sorry he couldn't win last time, but I think he made up for it today. And a very, very good ride by Carlos. I think he judged the pace perfectly because I think this horse just gets the 1400 and he judged the pace perfectly. A well-ridden team because this horse is not an easy customer. He hangs both ways.
He seems to be a young man that's certainly learning about the tracks and how the paces run and how races have been run here in this country, and that's very encouraging to see.
Yes, a very nice, humble person, willing to learn all the time. He was a champion in his home country, and let's see how he goes, yeah.
Fantastic, well done.
Thanks, and well done to my sponsors, Hyperpaint, and the breeder, Shively Stud.
Well done. Thanks. That's, of course, winning conditioner. Paul Peter, come through, Ian.
And away they go. Good start for the big field. Celestina broke well. Distant call. Lily Teresa's up in the firing line early on. Casual Wear, an air of success. Down the centre of the track is Free and Easy, racing about 3-4 lengths off the leader. Boss Babe on the outside, 12 Oaks, La Bastide. Further back to Jamison Girl, they followed by Dame Kelly, racing about 5 lengths off the leader. Lenny's down the inside, Artemisia. Then comes Strategic Move, racing behind that is Image Award towards the rear end of the field, and High Seas Beauty. 450 to go, and out in front is Distant Call from Celestina. Down the inside is Lily Teresa. Casual Wears very much alive on the outside, an air of success. Then came La Bastide, Jamison Girl. Then Boss Babe further back to 12 Oaks now as they into the final 300 metres. Casual Wears gone clear down the centre. An air of success down the inside. Jamison Girl, La Bastide, 12 Oaks finding a finish. It's Casual Wear under Carlos Herrera Gomez. Goes very strongly here. And it's going to be Casual Wear to win it. Second got tight, 12 Oaks second. La Bastide third. Close for fourth, Jamison Girl. Or an air of success. Well, once again, local riders are going to take second fiddle here to the Peruvian visitor, Carlos Herrera Gomez, back-to-back for the Paul Peters stable. He won earlier on Gunston start to finish. He took the lead by the scruff of the neck here on casual wear. They've gone clear to win it by a length and 3/4. 12 Oak second, Labist, and this Peruvian rider is now starting to shine.
Carlos Herrera Gomez, who's done the duty on both their winners this evening. 15 casual wear. Well, she took some time going to the start, but she made no doubt about coming back this evening, and she's done it in good style. Well done.
Thank you. El caballo se comportó muy bien, salió así como cuando trabajamos el día miércoles del partido, salió muy rápido. El único que hice fue contenerlo y esperar los últimos metros, ¿no? Y agradezco a este país tan lindo que me ha acogido. De verdad que me gusta bastante su gente, los jockeys son buena gente, los preparadores. O sea, no he podido caer en mejores manos. Estoy muy feliz.
Sounded so beautiful. Okay, Figgy, tell us what he said.
He said the horse jumping very well, like other day when go to the start, and then has to only keeping touch in the end when he asking, the horse ran on very well, and he want to say thank you to the trainer, Paul Peter, and is very happy here in South Africa, for with all the jockeys and trainer try him very well.
I'm sure Paul Peter's very happy with him as well at this stage. And Figgy, you're going to start teaching him English?
Yeah, already start, but you know it's only 1 month, so I think it's taking a little bit time.
Well done. Well, lovely to have you back as well. So it's always a pleasure talking to you, Figgy. We've missed you, so it's nice to have you back.
Thank you very much.
Well done, well done. Paul, must be interesting on the track in the morning.
Yeah, well, Figgy has to ride work with him, otherwise we can't get any work done. And but he's starting to learn. He's a bit younger than when Figgy got here, so he's starting to learn, put sentences together. When he goes for breakfast, he goes into the kitchen and he shows them what he wants on his breakfast. Well, anyway, we're very happy with him. And as I said earlier on, he's a very, very good judge of pace. And when you think he's going too fast, he knows he's not going too fast.